Hi, good morning. Today I'll explain you what is API in a very simple way in just 2 minutes. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It allows two different applications to communicate with each other. Let's say application A needs to connect to application B. Then application B exposes its own API and application A retrieves all the information from that application B's API. That way it becomes easier for developers to connect and retrieve all the information without building the entire application again. Now I'll tell you two real world examples of an API. The first example is weather app. You see the forecast. Weather app does not connect to weather satellites. They don't have their own systems. They connect to weather service API, sends the request, and weather service API retrieves the relevant information from weather satellites and systems, get the data, and then responds back to weather app. That way you are able to see the proper forecast. It saves a lot of application time. The other very common application is Zomato app using Google Maps API. Zomato, let's say if it needs to show locations, route and nearby places, it requests the Google Maps API. Google Maps API connects to the backend servers, retrieves the information, and then Google Map API responds back to the Zomato app showing all the maps and location and everything. This is the power of an API and saves a lot of time of the developers.